Macho Mike here at the roof deck of Rex Hotel with my friend, having a late night beer. He's having Bababa or Saigon beer, and I'm having Heineken. Okay, so it's a late night. It's almost like 11:30 p.m. local time, and this is the view around the Rex Hotel, the famous fifth floor beer garden. Of course, you have to see me here, the Macho Mike. With spectacular views of Saigon. This is William View Boulevard at night. And the new addition to Saigon is this tower. That was not here when I was here 5 years ago. And usually they have live bands here in the early hours of the evening, but it's like what I said, it's about 11:30 p.m. so there's the stage is empty. Okay, they had their last set around 20 minutes ago. Okay, so again a final view around Rex Hotel, the bar, roof deck bar. Okay, signing.